Would you like to know how to make money playing games? Watch this video right now. Hello and Happy New Year everybody. This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and today we're going to be showing you how to use G-Loot. Now what is G-Loot, you may ask? G-Loot is a client that allows you to make money playing games. Now we're going to get started right now. So I am using the chapters section here to segment most of the video in different parts, and you're also going to see a time code in the description below if you want to go to a specific function. So we're going to get started right now. The first thing that we're going to get started on is the interface here. Now, here are the games that it shows that you can play and earn money with. Now, when you start off, you can download the G-Loot app, and you can also register on the website. So when you register on the website and you download the G-Loot app, it gives you a $2 bonus just for signing up. That's amazing. So you already have money right off the bat when you sign up to G-Loot, and it's amazing. And you can add funds to play for real or make real money withdrawals, which is awesome. And then you can check out your game stats and account details. We'll go got it. Now, here are the compatible games that you can play. Valorant, Rainbow Six Siege, Apex Legends, Hearthstone Heroes of Warcraft, Teamfight Tactics, Rocket League, League of Legends, Fortnite, yes, Fortnite, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Dota 2, Call of Duty Warzone, PUBG, Heroes of the Storm, Overwatch, PUBG Lite, I've never heard of that one, Hearthstone Heroes of Warcraft, Underlords, Legends of Runeterra, World of Tanks, StarCraft 2, Escape from Tarkov, Path of Exile. And then there's also Magic the Gathering Arena and Splitgate. They're under maintenance. So these are the games that you can currently earn money with playing. So we're going to start off with a game that I do have here. So I have currently on my computer Hearthstone Heroes of Warcraft. So it shows your challenges when you pick your game. You can either do sprint challenges against other players, or you can do solo challenges. So we're going to go and find out what sprint challenges are. It says here that you can compete against others, and it says, have you got what it takes to be the best? Get as many wins, kills, goals, etc. as you can in an unlimited time. Now, most of these challenges are training challenges, and they don't require a fee to start up. But most challenges, as we go through here, require a fee. And there's also leaderboards, wins, and the time left in the challenge. And there are weekly and daily challenges. So always keep an eye on this as you go along and play the game. And some people have already won $12 up to $4. And then for any other places you place, $1.90. Now, it is a very cool thing because a lot of people like playing games, and most people don't have a way to do esports. So this is a great way to start something with one of these games. Now, if you don't have any of these games, or if you don't like any of these games, well, this is the client that has the games. You need the game in order to play, and you also need to download G-Loot. And then you have your notification window here, and then it shows here, you played a solo challenge, but you unfortunately didn't win. Better luck next time. So you can't win them all. I tried playing a solo challenge, but it didn't work out. So your notifications show up here, and then it shows your achievements and rewards. And then it also shows your account page here. So there's my active challenges, there's the activity, and then played games. And then the played game icon shows up here. So you go to the home page here, and then it asks you what game to play. And then you just pick whatever you want. And then there's a message from G-Loot, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And it also shows your stats, your latest challenges, and your social feed. And then it shows winners each and every time. And then you can also join the G-Loot Discord, or you can work at G-Loot. And there's more games here down below that you can check out. Now, PUBG Lite. Now, there are challenges coming soon with PUBG Lite. And then there's a winner takes all match, most headshots, most kills, most knockouts. These are all training challenges. And then you can play against and these are the rankings so far. So this guy has about 81 kills, who's number 1 on the daily, and then this guy, or sorry, that was the weekly, and then this is number 1 on the daily. It's pretty cool. And then you can go into your wallet, and then you can withdraw funds. Now you need a minimum amount to withdraw. So it says here, I want to withdraw. The minimum amount you can withdraw is $20. The maximum amount you can withdraw is $700. And then you enter the amount here. Let's say you want to enter $700, and then you just go and withdraw. But since I don't have that amount, I can't do that. So we're going to close that. I wish I did though. But you can also go and deposit funds as well. So let's say you want to deposit funds to pay for challenges on the game. You can use PayPal, MasterCard, or Visa through a secure connection. You can deposit up to $1, $5, and $20 plus a bonus. So it shows here $1 plus 20 cents. So you can get a $1.20 bonus. And here's a $6 bonus and a $24 bonus. And you can put that money in towards challenges so you can get more out of it. Now, let's go and see if there is a challenge that we can find. So we are going to go into a game. Let's start off with Apex Legends. And then we're going to go into solo. And as you can see, here are the challenges. There are very specific challenges with certain objectives. This one here has a $4 reward, get 4 kills with assault rifles. And the duration is 1 match, the difficulty is hard, and you have to pay a $3 fee. So to join the challenge, you go in there to pay the fee, and then you can deposit funds. And that's how you get into the challenge. And you make money out of it, which is really nice. And like I said, if you sign up, you get a $2 bonus for starting. So you can join in a challenge that requires $1, and then you just have to make the challenge. You have to make the objective. This one, get 2 kills with a P2020. But it's 2021. Why are we saying that? And then there's also get 3 kills with the R99, and then also get 3 kills with the Mastiff. And these are all solo challenges. And if you want to do sprint challenges, you go to the sprints, and then these are training challenges. And they also have durations where it shows open for 1 hour, open for 43 minutes, and these ones start in a certain period of time. And then it shows your leaderboards. If you have a computer that is capable of playing these games, then G-Loot is right up your alley. It doesn't make you rich, but it allows you to earn money playing games. And I think this is good because most people feel like they're wasting time playing games when they can get paid to play games. And especially these newer games here, you can get paid to play them. That is amazing. Who wouldn't want to start 2021 getting paid to play games and feeling like you're in an esports competition? It's esports without the esports. It's really cool. You can also click how it works so that you can get more info. And then it says here, it's an esports platform that for PC. This is only for PC. It's not for consoles yet. But I think as updates go, it will tell us more information. So always go back to this page if there's any info here. And this list of games is the games that you can play that are compatible with G-Loot. Now these are top tier games mostly. Top tier card games, FPS games, MOBA games, and also MMORPG games, which is really nice. I've never heard of PUBG Lite though. That I have to check out sometime. If you want to go to the supported games, it allows you to click supported games, and then we're going to go over the games again. Like I said, there's Valorant, Rainbow Siege, Apex Legends, Teamfight Tactics, Hearthstone, Rocket League, League of Legends, Dota 2, Warzone, Counter-Strike Go, Fortnite, PUBG, Heroes of the Storm, Overwatch, PUBG Lite, that's Underlords, I'm going too fast, Legends of Runeterra, StarCraft 2, Path of Exile, Escape from Tarkov, World of Tanks, Magic the Gathering Arena, and Splitgate Arena Warfare. Now those games are the list, and they will update new games as they go along, so always check back in the app if you see your preferred game there. And some of these games I do play currently, and I haven't had the chance to earn money from this yet, except for the $2 startup, because I have a 1-year-old son and don't have time to play as much. but when he's a little bit older, I'm definitely going to be playing and earning money here. So if you are young and watching this, this is one way to make money playing games. And I think it's really cool. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave me a comment below. And if you also have any other questions, leave me a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if there was anything I didn't explain in this tutorial, please leave me a comment and I will do my best to respond to your inquiry. Thank you very much and have a happy new year and game on.